Hillbilly Nitro, guys. Here we are back with another one. The Walk and Talk, episode 49. Did you think I forgot about all my knife guys? Yeah, we've been waiting on some knives to get here. So we finally got some in and just been playing the waiting game on them. So here we are, guys. And let's get to this. Got the Bark River Gunny Hunter out here today. We're in some sun and kind of got some shadows going on. I don't know how this is going to work out, but we're going to get to it and just do some testing. Episode 50 coming up. It sounds like we got the fire truck going on behind us, so we're just going to roll with it. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's open this up. We should have a number 14 in this box. Not exactly sure what's in here, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Beautiful fall day here in Tennessee. This thing is taped up. Man, that gunny is sharp, let me tell you. There we are, there's the product. If you guys would like to help support the channel, please take a look at the link in the comments, and your support would be greatly appreciated. And don't forget, guys, I got a knife to give away by the end of this month. There we are. Get rid of that paper there. There's what we're working with. And this is a beauty from what I've seen. And that fire truck is like screaming. Just gonna roll with it. We've already opened the package. Here we go. Maybe that'll add to some good sound effects. What you think? Let's get the bad boy over there. Wrapped up. You ready, guys? Here she is. Look at that. Is that a beauty or what? Man, that is sweet. Look at that. Smooth autumn bone. Check this out. Here we are. Smooth autumn bone. That's what we need in the picture right there, right? Come on, stay up there. There we go. Check that out. Oh, that feels great. That is nice. Check that out. Let's take a look around her before we get to that walk and talk. Beautiful. Transitions feel great. I nailed the transitions on it, nice and smooth. Smooth as silk. Check that centering. Perfection there. Yeah, on the money. That pull is about that's close to a 7. Very close to a 7 there. Beautiful. Nice and crisp. Check that out. Beautiful knife. Smooth autumn bone. They nailed that. Got some nice color in it. Very nice. Man, it just feels great. Feels like it's been waxed. It's so smooth. These little 14s are sweet. They're small, but they're sweet. I'm a huge fan of the case peanut, and that's kind of what these remind me of. Well guys, I believe that's going to wrap this one up. We're trying to keep these videos on the short side because of the load times on it, upload time. So keep an eye out for some more. Check out what we got here. Got another collector helping us out. Look at that. Nice hefty package. So we're going to get to those too. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Hillbilly is over and out of here, guys. Peace.